Alright YouTube, so I'm back with another lighter gun. Here it is. It's a 608 leather machine, whatever it say. It's a gun lighter and it's completely made out of metal and it's a bit heavy. So I bought this from Amazon and I'll give the link in the description below. So it's a very cool thing. So if you want to buy it, you can go to the link and can buy it from there. So this is the box. It's a bit smaller than the Beretta that I've shown you before. That one's length was 20 centimeter and this one's length is 17.5, I think. So it's a bit smaller than the Beretta, but it's a real kind of scale of gun. I've seen this gun somewhere. It's a C's something like that. I don't remember. So let's open this. Well, this is a leather holster to carry the gun, and this is the gun itself. Here it is. It looks nice and it's a real scale gun, exactly like the original one. As I told you, the original model is C75. That's the real gun, and this is a copy of that, and this one's model is 608. So this is a completely metal gun, you can see. And now let's check the flame. You can see it's very nice red flame. Alright, now let's check the pullback barrel. Isn't that nice? The sound, just because it's completely metal, the body and the mechanism inside, so it sounds like exactly the real gun that you've seen in the movies, just like this. So the difference between the Beretta and this one is in the Beretta you pull back the barrel and the barrel moves to the front and the hammer stuck there, but in this case the hammer does nothing, doesn't even move at all. But when you pull the barrel back, it's stuck here, and then you pull the trigger, it goes back. So it is a bit of different than the Beretta, but I like this one. It also fit in my hand, and the main thing is that it's completely metal, so I don't need to worry about breaking or anything like that. So that's it, guys. And at the bottom you can see this is the nozzle for refilling the gas, which is very easy. I like the sound, man. It's nice. Alright, now let's put it inside of this well, the leather case is too small for this. You see, can I close the button? And that's okay, because I'm not gonna use this holster and not gonna keep it on my belt and gonna use it just like the real guns. No, so I don't need that, but it's okay. But it doesn't fit, so it's basically useless. But I like the gun, and I have no complaint about this one. It's very strong and sturdy, as I feel in my hand now, just like the real one. So that's it, guys. That was unboxing and testing video of this 608 gun lighter, and hope you're gonna like the video. So hit the like button just like this, and subscribe to my channel, and share it with all your friends, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.